Hey, I'm Todd from Johnson Auto Body, and today we're talking about opportunities to get into the auto body industry. So there's a few different ways you can do that. You can do like me and Kale and a few other people here and start at the bottom and work your way up. That's a good way to do it. It doesn't cost you any money. You get to learn a lot and hopefully, make good money and make a good career out of it. The second way is that the high schools now have little programs where you can get like an elective class where you come over after school or part of your school day and things like that. They have like job shadowing programs. They have all sorts of cool things. The last way is with the college. Here around us there's Wake Tech Community College, and they've got a great automotive program. They have a program where if you are employed in the trade that you want to go to school for, they will pay for your school and give you like the auto body one gets a little toolbox when you get enrolled in that. That's a huge opportunity and it's free, they're paying for that part of your school. And they do that with all the trades, so it's not just the auto body, but they do that on all the trades, so it's really a cool program to look into. And if you have any questions about any of that stuff, just swing by or give me a call at Johnson Auto Body.